Hi guys, I will teach you how to change the battery on the Nike D-Line digital watch. But this tutorial will work for all the Nike D-Line digital only variants. In order to change the battery, you will need a coin. The coin has to fit the battery cover. Not all coins will work, so you will need to find one that does. Next, you will need a specific battery. The battery type is SR41W. I will be using the Renata 392. Just in case the battery cover doesn't come out or is stubborn, I will have a small flat head screw. This is optional. Now we will proceed to putting in the new battery to the Nike D-Line digital watch. As you can see, the battery cover is quite small. Grab your coin and twist it to the left. The battery cover should be loose. If it isn't loose, you can use a small flat head screw to loosen it out. You shouldn't pry it out as you can damage the back of the watch case. Luckily, mine was loose enough that it just falls out. Now grab your battery and just put it in the hole. Make sure it's the correct side. The completely flat side should be facing out and the curved side should be facing the watch. After putting the battery, place back the battery cover. The wordings on the cover should be facing up. Use your coin again and twist it to the right. Make sure the battery cover is tight. And that's it. That's how you put or change your battery in the Nike D-Line digital watch. If you find this tutorial useful, consider liking and subscribing.